Okay, and now we have CHIGEE Smart Writing Display. Get this set up. 2 screws, 2 hex screws. So we'll take this here. And snap into place. So, make sure that's in there nice and flush. First. All right, so we got these tools. So you take this clamp and you place it on around the camera. Don't forget to take these off. Place it into that slot, as so. And then tighten as so. And there you have it. Two cameras assembled with 2 mounts and a hex screw ready to go. We'll take our screws. Now we have the cameras. Camera 1, camera 2. Camera B, camera F. Red is for power cable. Got that. So let's say camera F. Camera F. Yeah? So you match those two up. The camera plug will say camera F, and the writing display plug will say camera F. And you basically match the letters together, and you screw it on there. Make sure you get in flush, and make sure it screws in well. Take the zip tie off. This is camera B. Camera B, as you can see. And get those babies on there too. Make sure you get it flush in here like that. So it can go all the way in, and you can tighten this. So yeah, make sure, did this one go on? Yeah. Make sure you get those in there nice and good. Yeah, and make sure you bring these two together. These 2 lock screws, 2 metallic lock screws on each plug, and get that nice and tight. All right. And the red plug, of course, will go to the power cable, which I'll get out now. Take these ties off here. And we have your positive cable, and you have your ground cable, and you have this cable, which we have yet to figure out. Let's see. But you're going to connect the two power cables together. Go by that red color there. Make sure you get them nice and good here. Line up those two slots, each end of the cable. Bring together these two metallic fasteners. Screw as so. All right. We have our camera connected to our ride system, our riding display system. We just now have to connect these three plugs. The power, the ground, and the ACC wire.